Hey everyone, Nick McClure here, Century 21 Farm and Forest. I'm here at 115 Prospect Street in Newport, Vermont, here to show you this beautiful home. We are right on Prospect Street. Up the hill here is a beautiful church, and if you head down the hill, you'd be heading down into Newport. So we'll get you inside. All right, so we're here inside the house looking out towards the covered front porch. Nice wood ceiling, wood floor, plenty of room out there for some furniture. We've got a grand formal entrance here, beautiful inlays in the hardwood floors, nice wood banister, diamond window up there, take you around the first floor. Great living room, which is quite large, big bay window. Got the radiators here, which produce really nice heat. Got kind of a Scandinavian style stained on the floor here. That is a real wood burning fireplace. Nice tall ceilings. Double doors heading back to the entry. Another bow window. And down here we do have a 3/4 bath. All of the bathrooms have some neat detail with the vanities. I suspect originally this was just a porch, but now it's a enclosed 4-season room. Great to bring in the light year round. There is a great little garden space here or extra parking. Former owner had it as extra parking. The current owner has a few raised beds, so it can be either or. On the back side, got more parking. Pergola coming in over the entrance here. And then the garage. So coat closet, some storage there. Come into the kitchen. Butcher block style counters. Electric range, dishwasher, double sink. There is a small little back porch or fenced in area. Washer and dryer there, and the door to the left is going to go down to the basement. Continue our rotation. I guess we'll go to the right. Beautiful stained glass in the hall. To the right there, that door goes to a back staircase. And then this is a private suite. Has been used as an Airbnb by the present owners. The prior owner, I think, used this as her owner's suite and Airbnb'd most of the rest of the house. So could go either way. A full bath, private entrance, and actually if you close this door heading out towards the kitchen, this space could all be private. So here we've got a study or dining room, depending on how you want to arrange it. Lots of storage for books. Beautiful old mirror in the door. And then we're back to the formal entrance here. Some built-ins. And we'll pick up once I get upstairs. Okay, here we are at the top of the stairs. Got that same diamond style window there. And this is the front room, which is quite gracious. Same light stained wood floors. Around the corner here is a closet. Some old wavy glass here. You can see the clock tower in downtown Newport. This room is en suite. There's a 3/4 bath. Across the hall, we've got another room. Should make a great office. bathroom. Nice and bright and fresh. And then a third bathroom up here. So it's got some great wainscoting, custom vanity, cool mirror, and another tile shower. Lovely old doors and hardware. Beautiful wood floors in this bedroom. This bedroom actually has 3 closets. 1, 2, which is actually a cedar closet, and 3 here. It also has some neat roof lines. Cute window. And then this was that back staircase that I showed you between the kitchen and that private suite. And then we have the last room. Again, lovely wood floors. This one has its own Renai heater. Give you a little visual of the backyard. And to my right here is a huge closet. It's been used for all the linens and so forth. So we'll finish up with a quick video in the basement and maybe take you outside to finish up. Welcome down to the basement. We've got a concrete floor, spray foamed walls, at least on the upper portion, stone foundation. Must have been an old root cellar here. A lot of work's been done with plumbing and wiring and heating system. Got a very large hot water storage tank. Boiler is over there, which is oil, and there's also a wood boiler, so you can use either or. So hence the wood chute and the spacious wood boiler. Firewood storage. And electrical panels are over here. So we'll finish up outside. All right, so we're going to finish up here on the back deck. Little fenced-in yard, pergola above us. There is a detached garage here. Apologize for any wind here. I got a new phone and my mic doesn't work, doesn't plug in on it, so I have to replace that. But yeah, 1-car garage here. There is a second, a little bit shorter bay, but great for lawnmowers and bikes and all that kind of stuff. Could fit a smaller car in there if necessary. A little spin to the back side of the house. Really proud, well-maintained home, downtown Newport. Hope you liked the video. This house is listed for $325,000, just under 2,500 square feet. If you have interest in it, please look at the description. You'll get a link to our website. You can check the status of the property and reach out to me if you've got any questions or further interest. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Take care.